Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party presidential candidate Raila Odinga has accepted the Supreme Court's decision to uphold William Ruto's declaration as president-elect.
Odinga says his coalition will respect the court's opinion even if they strongly disagree with its ruling.
After the Supreme Court shattered Azimio's presidential candidate Raila Odinga's fifth stab at the presidency, the former premier, through a statement, accepted its verdict, but there was a but. Odinga says, "We have always stood for the rule of law and the constitution. In this regard, we respect the opinion of the court, although we vehemently disagree with their decision today." Raila Odinga appears disappointed with how the Apex Court judges handled the evidence presented by his lawyers. In his statement, he says, "Our lawyers proffered irrefutable evidence and the facts were on our side. Unfortunately, the judges saw it otherwise. We find it incredible that the judges found against us on all 9 grounds, and occasion resulted to unduly exaggerated language to refute our claims." Odinga has promised to communicate his plans to continue their struggle for transparency, accountability and democracy in the near future. Odinga, who was the outgoing President Uhuru Kenyatta's preferred candidate and his handshake partner, says this judgment is by no means the end of our movement. In fact, it inspires us to redouble our efforts to transform this country into a prosperous democracy where each and every Kenyan can find their full belonging. Through her Twitter account, Odinga's running mate Martha Karua says, "The court has spoken. I respect but disagree with the findings." Lawyers representing Odinga and Martha feel the court politicized the matter at hand.
Courts sometimes make mistakes which have to be corrected over time. Courts make political decisions.
Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, through a statement, despite respecting the court's decision, disagrees with its findings, saying, "It is absurd and indeed disturbing that core evidence and pertinent issues raised by our lawyers as to the handling of our elections have been rubbished and deemed fabricated by the Supreme Court." Kalonzo says it is a sad day for many Kenyans, but it does not mean that the fight for a free and fair election is over. Vincent Odur, NTV.